To strengthen your body's defenses against viruses, eat nutritious foods and consider supplements. Vitamin D3 and vitamin K2 can help maintain strong immunity during winter months, supporting the thymus gland and producing T and B cells to fight infections. Zinc and trace minerals such as zinc, selenium, and iodine help resist viral infections. Natural multivitamins like Nutrigenesis can provide a good balance of these trace minerals. Vitamin C supplements like acerola cherry powder provide the full vitamin C complex, while virgin cod liver oil is rich in retinol and vitamin D. Now let's move to our list. Number 1, coconut oil. At the first indication of a cold or an illness, such as a fever, cough, or mucus, take 1 teaspoon of virgin coconut oil 3 times daily. Virgin coconut oil is one of the most powerful virus-fighting foods in the world because it includes a unique component called monolaurin. Monolaurin dissolves the fatty coating that covers viruses, preventing them from infiltrating your cells. To strengthen your immune system year-round, try cooking with coconut oil instead of vegetable oils. Number 2, pineapple and papaya. Many hazardous viruses include small spikes on their outsides. These spike proteins are designed to cling to your healthy cells so that the virus may hijack and take over your cells, which is known as an infection. Now, pineapples and papaya fruits both contain proteolytic enzymes, which are amazing because they naturally break down these harmful spike proteins to prevent viruses from replicating. These enzymes also help to thin and clear out mucus, making it easier for your immune system to clear out any viruses trapped in your lungs. Try eating a portion of fresh pineapple or papaya every day to enhance your body's defenses. Number 3, chicken bone broth. Traditionally, chicken stew was one of the first items given to a sick kid or adult because chicken bone broth is rich in amino acids that improve the immune system. Proline from bone broth improves cell barriers, preventing viruses from invading them. It also has lysine, which blocks certain viruses from replicating and spreading through the body, such as herpes, while the glutamine it contains strengthens your gut lining and lowers inflammation. Try sipping on a warm cup of chicken bone broth daily when you're sick, or otherwise to keep your defenses strong against infections. Number 4, onion juice. The liquid juice found inside onions contains a high amount of quatin, a very powerful antiviral agent. Quatin is very special because it helps your cells absorb zinc, a mineral that blocks viruses from reproducing or replicating. What's interesting is that when you cook onions, more cuvertin is released. So I recommend adding some onions to your chicken bone broth, stews, or other warm broths. Onions contain sulfur, which helps thin and remove mucus from the lungs, throat, and sinuses. Number 5, shellfish. The thymus is a little gland in your chest that produces white blood cells. These are your immune cells that actively seek down and destroy viruses to keep you healthy. However, the thymus relies on a mineral called zinc to create this protective army. Mussels seen in shellfish, such as oysters and crabs, lobsters and clams, are all high in bioavailable zinc. Thus, eating a little quantity of shellfish twice a week will enhance your immune system and the thymus gland, thereby protecting your healthy cells from infections. Shellfish include iodine, selenium, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin B12, all of which are beneficial to the immune system. Number 6, wild oregano. One of nature's most effective natural remedies for viruses is wild oregano, which contains a powerful compound called carvacrol that weakens the viral defenses and prevents them from spreading. The best way to use this herb is to add 1 or 2 drops of wild oregano oil to a tall glass of water and drink it once a day, especially during the winter or cold season. For optimal effects, look for oregano oil that has at least 70% carvacrol content for the antiviral benefits of food. Number 7, extra virgin olive oil. One of the most healing foods in existence is extra virgin olive oil. which is made from cold-pressed olives. The problem is that many olive oils in supermarkets actually have the label blend of European oils, which means that they're often fake and made from cheap seed oils with just a dash of real olive oil. However, real extra virgin European olive oil that comes from a single source is rich in oleic acid, which helps to dissolve the fatty envelope around virus. Olive oils are also high in vitamin E and polyphenols, which protect your good cells from oxidative damage. This makes them stronger and less prone to be hijacked by the genetic material found in viruses. To enjoy these perks, to strengthen your body's defensive senses, sprinkle 1 to 2 tablespoons of high-quality olive oil over cooked veggies or add it to salads. Number 8. Raw milk kefir. Another fantastic strategy to protect your body against viruses is to drink 1/2 cup of kefir every day. Kefir prepared from raw fermented milk is packed full of probiotics that will survive your stomach acid, allowing them to reach and populate your gut with friendly bacteria. Because 70% of your immune system really lives in your gut, these friendly microorganisms help the immune cells, producing a stronger barrier against infections. Kefir also includes calcium lactate, which can help relieve a dry cough caused by viruses or bacteria. Number 9. Beef liver. Another way that your body resists viruses is by making tears, saliva, mucus, and skin oil that are designed to trap viruses and pathogens to prevent them from infecting your body. However, to create these protective barriers, your body needs retinol, the active form of vitamin A. Eating 3 ounces of beef liver once a week can boost your retinol intake, supporting these defenses. Unfortunately, the kind of vitamin A found in vegetables isn't very well absorbed, so it's vital to acquire the active form of vitamin A from sources such as meat, eggs, and fish. Additionally, beef liver has a lot of zinc and iron, which are essential for a robust immune system. Number 10. Raw garlic. Now, raw garlic is probably one of the most potent foods known to man to eliminate viruses. When you slice or crush a fresh garlic clove, substance called allicin is released. This is a pungent sulfur compound that weakens the protein shells around viruses, directly stopping them from replicating and spreading through your body. I recommend chewing on a clove of garlic once a day to keep your immune system strong in the winter, but don't use pre-chopped garlic from the store because the allicin will likely have broken down. Using it fresh, raw, and recently sliced is the best way to ensure that it works. Number 11. Green tea. Did you know that virus uses are everywhere in nature, and many of them aren't harmful? In fact, some friendly viruses live in our bodies and are parts of our immune system. Green tea contains EGCG, a compound that binds to these harmful viral proteins, preventing them from attaching to human cells and infecting them. Number 12. Sauerkraut. What we haven't discussed is vitamin C, which is necessary for killing viruses and building a robust immune system. Unfortunately, many vitamin C-rich fruits have a lot of natural sugars, which might compete with vitamin C for absorption into your cells. Sauerkraut, a fermented cabbage, is packed full of vitamin C, but without the sweets, making it a wonderful immune booster. It's also high in probiotics, which promote gut health and combine with the vitamin C to enhance the immune cells in fighting off infections. Number 13. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are a wonderful natural source of beta-glucans, which stimulate immune cells like macroasia and natural killer cells, allowing your immune system to recognize and destroy virus-infected and aberrant cells, including cancer cells. Studies reveal that mushrooms like shiitake, reishi, and maitake are particularly beneficial in bolstering the immune system. Try adding mushrooms to your meals more frequently, especially if you're fighting off any form of ailment. Why you get infected by viruses. Viruses function by infecting your cells and transforming them into copying machines so that they can duplicate and spread to others. Your immune system should be identifying and eliminating these infected cells. But if it is weakened, viruses may penetrate more readily and spread, making recovery much more difficult. Most healthy individuals only acquire 1 or 2 colds each year. But if you're getting ill more frequently, your immune system may need a boost. What causes weak immunity? It may be that you're under a lot of mental stress, which is weakening your immune system, or you're not receiving enough sunlight to raise your vitamin D and melatonin levels. Smoking and vaping might also impair your immune system because they deplete vitamin C. You might also be malnourished and not consuming enough whole foods, leaving you lacking things like zinc and iron, which are essential for a robust immune system. A lack of sleep can also impede your body's capacity to recover from an infection. An overuse of antibiotics can alter your microbalance, particularly in the GT, making you more susceptible to a viral assault. Improving each of these aspects of your lifestyle, in addition to avoiding processed meals and substituting them with more fish, can help to strengthen your defenses. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.